In our day and age, the idea of waking up and starting your day with meditation or mindfulness practices is all the rage. And yet, like everything else, this was a habit the Prophet of God, peace be upon him, instilled in his ummah centuries ago. And when done correctly, in its truest form as we know it, through wudu and salah as described in the hadith, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us the ultimate secret to success. You're guaranteed to start your day in a good mood, feeling refreshed, and ready to tackle the tasks at hand. And on the flip side, for the most of us who wake up and the first thing on our mind is all the work we have to catch up on, a replay in our heads of the TV show we watched the night before, what we're going to eat for lunch or dinner that day, or even worse, when we wake up and reflexively reach for our phones and start immediately scrolling through social media, we're given fair warning that we're setting ourselves up for a groggy and lazy day. Think about what happens when you get up and immediately remember Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It's not simply about following this hadith robotically to reap the benefits. It goes back to the mindset that is so essential to achieving our goals. You wake up, remind yourself of your purpose in life, and derive your energy and motivation through a connection with your Lord.